Hello students, this is Vinod from Endurance Engineering Academy. So if you have a plan to start your GATE exam preparation, or you don't know what is GATE exam and you are blank about GATE exam, but you have heard about the name, you have heard about the name GATE exam, but you need to know everything about GATE exam, then you have ended up in a correct video, which means we are from Endurance Engineering Academy, that is from our institute. We are going to offer a GATE exam workshop in the month of January 2024. Sir, what is this workshop all about? This workshop, first of all, what is GATE actually? We know that, right, already. Regarding GATE as concerned, we know why, where and how the GATE exams are going to be useful. Okay, right. Sir, when the workshop is going to happen? It is going to happen 13th January 2024. The time is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So, if you are from Chennai and around Chennai, then you can attend the session in offline. If you are not in Chennai and if you are out of Chennai, if you are from any other state or any other city, then you will able to attend the session online. Okay, so both accessibility is there. The date is going to be Saturday, 13th January, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So, what you will cover in the particular workshop? These are the things. See, first of all, I will talk about what is GATE, which will be a basic idea about GATE. I will start with zero. If you already know about GATE, then this slide might be little bit, repetitive for you. But I will start from zero. That's what I am saying. If you know nothing about GATE, then this particular workshop is going to say everything about GATE. So, it is going to start from zero. I will start from what is GATE and I will go for why GATE. Okay, why GATE is important and why GATE is necessary for the students. See, I'm not going to force anything. See, it's going to be very simple and straightforward workshop. I will say what is GATE and I will say why is GATE. But whether the GATE is required for you or not, GATE exam is required for you or not, that is up to you. Okay, that is completely up to you. I have this simple philosophy. See, suppose you need something. Okay, after completing your engineering, you will be having some aim, you will be having some dream, right? Let us take that as A. Okay, and GATE will give you something. And if there is an intersection between these two, okay, A is nothing but a set of what you want after completing your engineering. B is nothing but set of what GATE can give you. Okay, what GATE can give you. That is why GATE. Okay, what GATE can give you. If there is an intersection point, okay, I will just use another color maybe. If there is an intersection like this, then GATE is required for you. Okay, that you need to decide after attending the workshop, because once after you attend the workshop, you will be able to know what is your A and what is your B and was there any intersection or not. If suppose your A is here and what GATE is giving you is here, if there is no intersection, then GATE is not for you. Surely GATE is not for you. I will give you an example. For example, you are planning to take, cinematography, or you are planning to take a film direction as your career after engineering, then GATE is not going to do anything for you. Okay. So, what I am trying to say, what you want, okay, and what GATE can provide, if it intersects, then GATE is necessary for you. So, that clarity is something which I am planning to give here. Okay. Next 3. What are all the various opportunities through GATE? That is 3. And once after these 3 topics, after discussing these 3 topics, surely I can guarantee that you will get to know whether GATE is for you or GATE is not for you. If GATE is for you, okay, if GATE is for you, then we are going to enter into essentials during your preparation. What are all the necessaries during your preparations? And what is the steps you need to follow? What is the steps you need to follow during your GATE exam preparation? And then, how to do GATE exam with a self-preparation and how to do GATE exam with coaching. There is going to be a pure comparison between self-exam, self-preparation and coaching. No promotions, nothing. It's going to be what is going to be advantages in coaching, what is going to be advantages in self-preparation, what is going to be disadvantages in self-preparation, what is going to be disadvantages in coaching. So, we are going to deal a clear-cut difference between these two so that you will understand and you will able to know which is going to be suitable for you. Okay. Next is some of the free GATE resources which our institute provide, that also will be provided to you at the end of the sessions. Okay, right. And you will be able to attend the session for free, but provided you need to register for it. Okay, the registration is compulsory and the registration link was there in the description. Why registration is compulsory? Because for offline only 30 members are allowed, and for online only 300 members are allowed. Okay. This is for offline and this is for online. So based on the registration, based on the number of students who are registering, we will able to figure out like how to manage the number of students who are going to attend. So if you are going to attend in offline, then the center is in Chennai. Okay, so if you are in and around Chennai, you can attend it in offline. If you are not in Chennai, then you can attend in online. Okay, the online session will be accessible. And sir, how to register? The link was there in the description. Click the link, you complete the registration procedure, click register. Then you will be redirected to next page. Okay, in that next page, you will get a WhatsApp group link. Okay, WhatsApp group link for this workshop. Okay, for this particular workshop, there is a separate group created in WhatsApp. Get added into the group. And the further updates regarding all the workshop details will be shared in that particular group only. Okay. So if there is any query, you can contact us here. Okay, the number is not displayed. Here it is. Okay, you can contact at this particular number, any one of the numbers. Okay. And if you want to know more about us, you can check our website also. Okay. So all these details are there in the description. You can check it. Okay. Thank you.